Hey y'all, today I'm going to be making a Kentucky butter cake. If you hear something in the background, I've got some coffee going. But we're going to start with 1 cup of butter, or 2 sticks, that I've just let sit out and soften for a little bit. 1 cup of sugar, white sugar, and 1 cup of brown sugar. And we're just going to mix these two together until it becomes fluffy. Okay, I've got 4 eggs. I'm going to add these in one at a time and mix after each one. One tablespoon of vanilla. Now I have 3 cups of all-purpose flour. Here I have 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. And I'm just going to whisk this in with my 3 cups of flour. I also have 1 cup of buttermilk. So what I'm going to do is combine the flour and the buttermilk alternately to this mixture. Okay, this is going to go into a pan that I have greased and floured. We're going to bake it at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about an hour. Now it's time to start the glaze for this cake. We're going to start with 1/3 cup butter, 3/4 cup sugar, 2 tablespoons of water, and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. We're just going to cook these ingredients together until the sugar dissolves. This is ready. I'm just going to take a chopstick and poke some holes into this so that I can pour my glaze over the top. Now if you're worried about the holes, then you may want to make this in a bundt pan, but I don't have one of those type pans, so I'm just making do with what I have for now. Let this cool, and then we'll cut it and see what it looks like. Okay, this is ready. And now is the time that I wish you could smell it. It smells so good. Let's cut a piece and see what the inside looks like. That is so good. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. And come over and check out SouthernSassyMama.com for all of my written recipes. Y'all have a good day.